thank you. Oh, this level's so good. So, I really like this level. Even though I died at 98, I still enjoyed playing this. The dual ship, the dual ball ship at like 70s, like the only whole part that's like annoying. Other than that, the only other parts that I really didn't like were the 2% blue orb timing and then the 16 blue orb double click. But oh, and also I think it's 47 double pink orb combo. Sometimes it's aligned really weird. But other than those 3 choke points and then that one part of the duel, this level's really fun and would be my favorite extreme if those things were changed. I recommend this to anyone that's good enough to beat it. Just don't do it as a hardest.